Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jessica from Tarkashastra, and in this video we'll be covering top 10 law colleges specializing in corporate law across the world. So kindly keep watching, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to us. It barely takes a second. Why? Because there's a special video waiting for you at 1000 subscribers. So keep watching. All right, so the list has been sourced from multiple different sources, and usually they target top colleges around UK or US. So these are top 10 colleges around US. The number one is Harvard Law School. Now you also have to consider the acceptance rate. Okay, acceptance rate directly determines your chances of getting in. NLS Bangalore का acceptance rate है almost 8%, which is the top number one law school of our country. So Harvard Law School का है 11%. Now again, chances again depends on the number of applicants applying that particular year or that particular season. If there are less number of applicants applying, is a very good chance it will be shortlisted. If not, if there are multiple of candidates applying, the chances keep going down. Okay. Next is Yale, Stanford, Columbia, and University of Chicago. They're all located in US. Then you've got New York School of Law, UC Berkeley, Northwestern, Duke, and Georgetown. So these are all top 10 located across the United States of America, and these are their respective acceptance rate. Now, the higher acceptance rate is, the higher your chances of getting in. Okay, now across these law colleges, you will observe the salary, the median, the average salary is around $191,000, $180,000. So if you convert it into Indian currency, that's more than, it's almost more than 1 crore 60 lakhs. Okay, so that's great investment. इनका fees होता है around $80,000 to $90,000, and the fees पे इसका ROI काफी अच्छा है. So you can always contemplate going to US and pursuing law, because lawyers are rarely in demand in countries like US, UK, and other first world countries. Okay, so you can keep going through. So this is the Yale, this is what the courses they offer, and this is their salary. Now the salary for entire all the colleges will be approximately the same. Now all your courses might differ. Okay, now you might want to specialize in something else. So a particular college might not have that specialization, so you probably have to switch then. So you can always research all their college on their website and then choose accordingly. In Sabta, fees structure is almost same. It ranges around $80,000 to $90,000. Okay, now this is approximately all the law schools around America. Now let me take you across the world. So Harvard still remains number one. Okay, University of Oxford takes up number two. Okay, Stanford, Cambridge, Columbia, these are your top five. Yale, UCL, UC Berkeley, Toronto, and Melbourne. Okay, now if you have problems with location also, if you do not want to risk and apply a visa for US, you've also got Australia and Canada in your options. You've also got UK as options. So kindly keep researching. But if you apply for top 10, again, if you apply for brands and for colleges with prestige, the ROI on such colleges is usually pretty high. There's also London School of Economics, which is also pretty famous for polity and law. So you can also pursue that. It is also located in United Kingdom. Okay, now this is a very detailed list with fees and everything. Okay, now this is their score, peer assessment score, and their tuition fee. So if you see, the fees is around 75, 80,000, maximum $90,000 जाएगा, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. Okay, this is the fees, and this is the total fees that they will require for the admission. Alright, so बहुत ही minor change है rankings में across the different websites. Now it also depends on some websites can totally be rigged or can be paid. Some of this could be paid, but if you research through our multiple resources, and if there are recurrent colleges जो बार बार आ रहे, there's a good chance that those are unpaid reviews and they are actually honest. For example, Yale, Cornell, these are Ivy Leagues. Duke, they are Ivy Leagues. So they have a good reputation, they have a prestige with the college associated. Okay, if I've checked all the list: Harvard, Stanford, Oxford, Cambridge, Yale. See, London School of Economics and Politics. Again, it's a big brand. It's a wonderful college to be associated with. Columbia, University of Chicago Law School, UC Berkeley, Toronto. Okay, so if you can see, the same names keep reoccurring. Okay, so then you can obviously rely that these are actually honestly top 10 colleges that you can pursue your corporate law in. All right, so good investment, good return on the investment, good exposure, good networking. Okay, this year, CLAD aspirants have been really on the edge with everything consortium has been doing wrong. So a lot of people are exploring other options. I had presented you one option, which is pursuing law, especially corporate law outside of the country. So let me know what you thought about it. If you're actually going to apply, okay, Tarkashastra assists students in applying to such colleges. We assist in SOPs, we assist in person interviews. So you can always reach out to us in the number given in the description. If you have any other doubts, if you want me to make any other videos, kindly put it in the comment box. I will obviously make it for you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, a very special video waits at 1,000 subscribers. So kindly subscribe. Thank you so much.